Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 629 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. It's curler and lash enhancing mascara in one, which I just think is the coolest design. I'm so excited to try this out. It's in black. I think it only comes in one shade. It says that the mascara defines and separates lashes, leaving them looking longer, more volumized, and visibly curled with zero flaking or smudging. That's exactly what I want my mascara to do. So cool. I mean, it's big, but that's okay. So this was part of my October Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box, and it was an added bonus gift if you also got the Glam Bag Plus. They gave you this mascara because the bags, the makeup bags in both the Plus and the Ultimate ended up being the same, so they gave this as a gift to make up for that. But this retails for $25 on the Trestique website, so that's a pretty nice gift, I'd say. And let's see if I can figure out how to use it. So it says to take off the clear cap, flip the lever down, flip down to curl. Oh, okay. Okay, this is so neat. All right, and it's like a mini half eye shape. So, oh gosh, I'm a little nervous. See if I can figure this out. Yikes, I put a bad dent in my lashes. I don't like that it's so small. Yeah, I think this is just bending my lashes. Let's try this eye. I curl my lashes every day, like it's a necessary part of my lash routine. I can't even see though. Yeah. This is I definitely appreciate the design of this, but I'm probably not going to be using it personally. I just have my lash curler that is so much quicker and easier, and I really do think that this gave my lashes a crimp. It's like has a point to it, and I don't like that. But let's see how the mascara is. I wonder if I can put the cap back on. Okay. So here you can see the wand. It's an hourglass shape, and it looks like it has the brush type bristles. Ooh. It's applying really nicely. I like how full black color it is immediately. Oh, but this is messy. I have mascara all over my eyelid already. But it's doing a good job of coating every lash individually, keeping them separated. So that looks nice. It looks pretty. It looks like it's been volumizing, lengthening, and there is some nice curl to the lashes. I feel like now that I have the mascara on, it helped to smooth out that crimping. So it's looking pretty good now. Let's see how this does on the lower lashes. Oh yeah, it's doing a good job of grabbing all the lashes and coating each lash, but I am getting the mascara on my under eye. But quick and easy to apply to all the lashes. Now let's see if I can build it up at all. Yeah, it is building up. It's getting more volumized, a bit more lengthening, and as I keep adding, it is starting to make the lashes stick together and not be as separated. So I think that's about as volumized as I can get because I want the lashes to stay separated. And it's nice, there's no clumping, no flaking. I'm not mind blown. It's not the best mascara I've used, but it's definitely wearable. Okay, so mascara is applied and I like how my lashes are looking. They look, you know, longer, darker, a bit more volumized. I'm not blown away, but I also don't like how messy it is on my eyelids because that's just so annoying in my opinion to have to somehow clean off that mascara. So I wouldn't want to pay $25 for this mascara, but it's still good enough that I'm going to continue using it, but it's not something that I would personally purchase again on my own. I also don't think that I will ever use this curler just because I have a full lash curler that's just like 1 second done. But this one takes more time. It's tricky to see where it is on the eye with the design because you can't get a very good view. But so if you've tried this, I would love to know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. Do you like the curler? Do you continue using this as your lash curler? I'm wondering if it's just me that had a hard time with it or if it is actually a tricky lash curler. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.